Hi, so a quick tutorial on designing your own sign for a workshop. From our homepage, you're going to click Find an Event, and all our events are here. If you choose our May 8th, 11 a.m. Mother's Day workshop, you're going to click there, and from here you have lots of options to make. Here's our welcome, gives you all of the direction. If you're not sure what you want to make and you need some inspiration, you can click right here and it'll take you to our Pinterest boards, which will give you some ideas of some projects that you could possibly make. Okay, and they're all saved by category, so feel free to browse around and have fun with that. If you find something you'd like to make, you could screenshot it and then upload it right to the order form, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. So we're going to go back to the order form, and let's say I decide that I'm going to make a noodle board. Click right here on the noodle board and scroll back up. Best to do it on a computer and not a phone. Once you have the image here, you're clicking customize it. When you click customize it, it will take you to our next screen. On the next screen, you have a couple of different options. Let me show you what they are. You could just write a note here and leave it up to the designer describing what you want on your sign. You could click add image, and from there you can upload an image. Say you took a screenshot of one of those Pinterest designs. You could do that. That'll tell us what you want. Or you can click designs. We have lots of designs in different categories. So feel free to scroll through these, have fun. If you click on noodle board designs, for instance, there's a couple of different options. Let's say I'm going to choose this one. Meals and memories are made here. Okay. Once I have it on my noodle board, I can resize it. I can transform it. I can change the color to see what it would look like. Lots of different things you can do there. Okay. Um, so let's say I'm going to leave that right there. I move it up a little, move it down a little bit. You can tip it to see what it'll look like. Um, the next thing you're going to do, let's say, is add text. You might say Mom's Kitchen. I'm going to add text and it's going to drop right there. Of course, I'm going to move that up and then I'm going to transform it a little. I think I'd like to give it a little bit of a curve. Too much of a curve. So a little less curve there. Change the radius. Change the spacing a little bit. Look at that. That looks pretty good. I can also change the color. I can change the font. So let's say for this one, I've decided I'm going to go with a, let's try that one. I think that looks good. Move that there. Okay. All right. So now I have Mom's Kitchen. Meals and memories are made here. Let's say I want to add another image. I could click on designs. Again, click here for lots of different categories. Food and drink. I'm doing a noodle board. So let's see what my options are. I could do a cupcake, a fork. Maybe I'll do some cocktails around the bottom. That might be fun. Way too big. So I'm going to resize and pull this down here. And oh, I think that Mom would love that. Okay, so once you have your image ready to go, you're just going to click add to cart, and then from there you'll check out. When you show up at the workshop, feel free to bring any food and drink. You're going to have a great time, and we can't wait to make a masterpiece with you.